When you do finally see a bird that you've been looking for, it's a dopamine rush. It's up there with having a 16-year-old scotch or a really amazing orgasm. Actually, I kind of describe my perfect day as getting the trifecta of birding, bike riding, and banging. If I can have that, that is a perfect day.
This is the big, beautiful bill I was hoping for. Birding, bike riding, and banging.
It's the much better BBB. Sharon searched for her nemesis bird, the spruce grouse. She was going through a divorce.
So right before the pandemic, my marriage ended and I went a little wild. Some people were talking to me about showing me spruce grouse. I just said to myself, I wonder if I just started offering blowjobs for a spruce grouse, if that would be a good dating strategy. I'm single now. I don't know what to do.
Somehow the bird watching episode is also the most explicit one we may have done to date.
She starts dating a guy who actually has the same nemesis bird as her.
The world's falling apart, but we're going to get a spruce grouse.
While biking alone in Alaska.
I see this dark blob in the road moving and swishing its tail, and I just knew. And I gasped and I stopped.
Her bike falls over.
And I'm on the ground, and
She manages to take what she calls a craptastic
video. Oh my God, there's a second one coming in. Holy shit. Holy shit. Oh my God. Be cool, Sharon, be cool.
It's a big, beautiful bird.
It's presenting, it's swishing its tail feathers.
It has a red sort of crown deal on the top.
It's really puffed up and strutting its stuff. She describes it as a top 5 life moment. Here's a photo of Sharon right after seeing the spruce grouse. Just look at the ecstasy.
It is, dare I say, an orgasmic level of satisfaction.